Meaning of detonation.
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 Detonation. Detonation refers to a rapid and violent chemical reaction that results in an explosive release of energy. During detonation, a substance such as an explosive or fuel-air mixture undergoes a self-sustaining reaction that produces a shock wave, high pressure, high temperature, and sometimes a bright flash of light. The result of detonation can vary depending on the context and materials involved, but it often causes significant damage to surrounding structures and can be dangerous or deadly to humans and animals in the vicinity. Detonation is commonly used in military applications, mining, and demolition.